This quick video will just go over some of the trades, or actually all of the trades that the emini day trader system performed on Friday, January the 2nd, 2009. And for those of you that have viewed some of our videos before, you know that we like to take a look at the market profile to gain a little bit of a longer term perspective, an intraday perspective of the auction process, so that when we go into our day trades, we look to see if we've got confirmation of our expectations, and if that is the case, then we will have a preference for that side of the market. Not every day do we have a distinct directional bias in the market, but for those days that do confirm that, it adds to our trading knowledge of understanding the market, and therefore in managing the trades as well. But even for those of our members and any other traders for that matter who don't take a look at the market profile, our trades are based on defining the auction. So every one of our trade types really does define the auction and get it, and as a result gets us in for the next directional move in the market, whether it be for just a few minutes or potentially for the rest of the day. And so in looking at the market here today, we knew that the market yesterday had, this is from Wednesday, and we knew that the market on the 31st had formed a much higher value area, as you see from its previous day. It had what's called a buying tail on the low, but it also had a selling tail on the top. And we knew that if the market would either go down and erase the area down here, that would be a bearish indication, and should the market erase the top area here, the selling tail on the top, it would be a bullish indication. And as you can see, the market overnight, well, we don't have the overnight in here, but when the market opened this morning on Friday morning, it opened very close to our supply or selling strength that had occurred near the top of the market on Wednesday, and very soon after the market opened, it started to rally up through it. So as you can see here, that area, I'll just put it in yellow here, it was quickly taken out, and once the market had gone above that, it was a very bullish indication. And so as a result, we actually had a series of trades today that took us through the market on the long side with virtually every trade that we were involved in. So here's our software taking a look on a 1 minute basis, and here's the border of previous day, which was Wednesday, and then Friday. So this was that late sell-off, started here on Wednesday, came all the way down to here, and this was the open that we had during the regular trading hours this morning. You can see there was a little bit of a dip in the market, and then it started to rally up. And as that market rallied up, it actually gave us the opportunity to use our indicators, as you can see right here, as the market rallies up and creates, in our terms, fairly strong highs. As these get taken out, they become areas for us to go ahead and enter long trades. And so we actually had the opportunity today to enter several of these long trades. We had one in here, we had one when it dipped here, we had another one when it dipped here, we had another one when it dipped here, and actually another one when it dipped here. So we had a series of trades today that were all long trades, and each one of them made us money. On our model account, where we trade 4 contracts, we were able to reach our first 2 objectives. We just go for 3/4 of a point for the first objective, where we exit half of our position, and then we exit 1/4 of our position at 1.5 points. We allow our software to dictate where we will exit the final 1/4 of our position. And as a result, today we hit our first and second objective on all 5 of our trades. These were the 5 trades that we had today, and we had a net profit before commissions of 22 3/4 points. So it was a very profitable day for us, and a very easy and readable trade series of trades today, because our setups and triggers based on our 1 minute were very, very straightforward, very easy to read, very easy to understand, very easy to execute. But they did tie in with our understanding and expectations of what the market was likely going to do. So we're actually on the lookout to place trades on the long side today, and we had our specific trade setups and trade entries which allowed us to do that. So just a follow up from our last video to let you know how we're doing, and I hope you had a profitable day today as well. We're looking for some more continuation on this upside. The next major objective is around 960, although it would not surprise me if the market pulled back to the 918 area, possibly even the 913 area. Of course, we've been in a holiday market over these past couple of weeks, and there'll be a lot more participants back in the market, especially some of the larger institutions and so forth, come Monday the 5th. So the volume will likely increase quite a bit, and at that time, I think early next week, we will get either confirmation or non-confirmation as to this up auction that we have been in now for several days, actually more like about a couple of weeks. So we'll be looking towards that and those key reference areas going into the market for next week, the 5th, and to see if this up auction can continue. So that'll be it for today. Just wanted to bring you up to date on how we're doing, and I hope you all had a very happy new year. And if you would like to find out more about us, just go ahead and type into your browser emini.daytrader.com and view some of our other videos and information that we have there to see if something like this may be of interest to you. We're always welcoming any questions or inquiries you might have. So thank you very much for taking the time to view the video tonight.